Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the graphs. This is a special type of object we have in the system, and the graph is a function that is based in a set of points in its 2D coordinate system. All these points can be connected by a polyline or by a smooth curve. And this is very versatile because it can be used in very different situations. It can be quite complex, but we can use this, for example, to define a variable load in an analysis module, for example, or in complex shapes for the sweeps, that kind of function. The graphic itself, it's quite easy, and we can access it through the parameters menu, graphs, and we can create a new graph, okay, choosing from this smooth curve, for example, doing the addition, and now we can define points by coordinates or by clicking and changing them according to what we want. We can save it to a file, and it is used like that. So in any of the functions that we have now, either on the analysis or in other places of the system, we can call that graph, or we can create a specific graph at the moment, and we can use the shape of the function, the graphical shape of the function, to apply to entities also. We will have some specific videos for this topic, so it's a little more complex and takes a little more time to set something with a proper example. So be aware of the new videos we will release very shortly also about this topic. In the meantime, if you have any questions or any issue about this, ask us, and we will be here for support.